So today we are starting with $700. That's our trading account for today. And we are trading GBP We are in the New York session. We had this strong move to the upside that is giving us our bias. Okay. Then we getting this pullback here into this zone, to this beautiful zone here. We are seeing these buyers respecting this zone of support here, giving us a retest on the left hand side. So we are gonna be taking some buys with those confirmations. Should be taking some buys, and our take profit is going to be on the previous highs. Our stop loss is below the area of confluence. Okay, so let us see how much we can make with $700. We have like how many pips? Fill. We have over 29 pips fill as our take profit, and our stop loss is around 13 pips. That is giving us a very nice risk to reward ratio, so I think we can go with that. Let's see how this goes. So far so good. I would love to see these buyers breaking above this zone of resistance. Then we shall be on a sure deal to hit our take profit. $100 already. That's nice. So by the time we reach to the upside, I'll be in good money. $200. Nice.